Hey guys, my name is Troy with LifeShield Financial, and today I want to talk to you about an opportunity that could change you and your family's life. And so really one of the main differences with LifeShield than with the other life insurance companies is that instead of just focusing solely on the money, we make sure that we know exactly what you want to get out of life and make sure that you get that. So, if that is making $10,000 a month, we can show you how to get there. All the other IMOs, they talk about, hey, these new agents came in and they made $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $1,000 in their first month. And that's great. And we have guys making $40,000, $50,000, $90,000, $100,000 a month. But the difference between us is we don't want to just focus on that. We want to focus on exactly what you want to get out of life, and so we can build a plan based around that. And so that is really one of the major reasons why working with LifeShield is so important, and it's such a great opportunity. All right, guys, now that you know about LifeShield and what this opportunity is all about, I want to go over the 5 main reasons why working with LifeShield is such an amazing opportunity. So reason number 1 is being your own boss. Like, you are going to be able to create the lifestyle you want, have the time you want, make sure you're at your kids' soccer games and basketball games, and we're going to be able to design a schedule around your specific lifestyle. So you're going to be able to make the money you want, be your own boss, and be in complete control of what you have going on in your life. All right, reason number 2, guys, is with LifeShield, you are actually 100% vested from day one. And what that means is when you sell a policy, that client is yours for a lifetime. A lot of other insurance companies and IMOs and brokers, when you sell that policy, you may not be vested if you were to leave the company for 2, 3, 5, even 10 years. So you would not actually own that book of business until you go through their vested period. So with LifeShield, from day one, you're 100% vested, and that's 100% your book. Reason number 3, guys, is the unparalleled training that LifeShield gives to all of their agents. And so this is very, very important because we get a ton of insurance agents that come on board with us because the IMO or the insurance company that they were working at didn't have any training. They hyped them all up, told them all the things that they could do, and then when they got on board, they kind of just got stuck. So with LifeShield, there are weekly trainings. We have dial sessions twice a week. And then also you get access to guys who literally are doing $90,000, $100,000 a month in production with doing telesales and mortgage protection. So these guys are physically sitting in their home offices. Some of them have offices just outside the home for their own reasons, but sitting in their home and making $100,000 a month. And these are the types of guys that you're going to have access to, that you're going to be training with on a weekly basis. Reason number 4, guys, is your network. So your network is directly correlated to your net worth. And what I mean by that is LifeShield has some highly, highly valuable people on our staff and within our organization. So they're already doing and have done the things that you want to do. So they started exactly where you're at. So we're going to be able to work with them to build a model that will get you from where you're at now to where you want to go. So your network is going to be the biggest part of an organization. So when you're looking into opportunities, make sure that that network in that organization has high valued professionals. Reason number 5, guys, is leads. So we have one of the most efficient lead generation systems in the country. And so, but what I want you guys to understand is you do not have to buy leads. Now, unlike most insurance companies and IMOs, when you come aboard, they make you buy a certain amount of leads. We don't want to do that to you. We want you to feel comfortable in what you want to do. So if you want to buy leads, that is definitely going to jumpstart you a little quicker because you're actually getting people filling out information, sending it back in and saying, hey, I want the product that you sell. And so it makes getting your sales at the beginning a lot easier and a lot more efficient, but you absolutely do not have to buy leads. Another big thing about leads is when you buy a lead, you buy a lead at the cost of what it cost us. Most IMOs and insurance companies are getting leads for $7 up to $50 or $60, and then they're upcharging a 10 or 15% and selling them to their agents. We absolutely do not do that. you get the leads at rock bottom cost, exactly what we get the leads for, because we want to make sure that you are very, very successful within our organization. So now that you know the value of the opportunity that was just presented to you, what I want to do is I want to give you my personal contact information. So if you have any questions or concerns or want to go in depth more about what we do at LifeShield and how everything works, that you can just contact me and we can go over all those things. So my email address is troy.allen@lifeshieldfinancial.com. You can either call or text me as well. So my personal line, my cell phone number is 740-534-8289. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I want to help you build a plan to change you and your family's life. Thank you so much for watching.